Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add SoundCloud in your Discord in a very simple way. How you can do, just simply click on your server, and then you're going to find out the setting called server settings. Click on that, and then you're going to find out the option called apps directory. If you click on that, then you're going to get the search bar into the right side. And here you can simply search SoundCloud. Click enter. It will going to show you the SoundCloud over here. So if you click on that, then if you click on add app, it will going to redirect you to the web browser. And from here, you have to select your server and click continue. Click authorize. The add is successful. And now if you just simply go to your server and simply type /play paste, give the song name I Need Your Lovin', click enter. It will going to say you have to be in voice channel. So if you just simply click on the general, so this is how we can simply add SoundCloud in your Discord. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.